Jay, make it
Questa è la musica di Rock Maninov. Ascoltala.
yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker
YouTube fam or good, man? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, and today, as promised, y'all do have the detailed review and on feet of 2025's highly anticipated Jordan 5 Tokyos, y'all. This shoe originally released in 2011. It has been 14 years since we have seen a release of this shoe, and the release that we did see back in 2011 was exclusively for Tokyo. This shoe was released to commemorate the opening of Tokyo 23, which is a Jordan store in Tokyo, Japan, and it was not only an exclusive pair to that store, it was also limited, y'all. So we are finally getting back some grails that we have all wanted. It is rumored, I'm gonna say it's a rumor for right now, because we were supposed to get it this year, but it got delayed till next year, so I'll believe it when I see it. But it is rumored that we will be seeing the Jordan 1 Off-White Europes in 2026, y'all. So a bunch of goodies heading our way, y'all. We recently seen the Jordan 4 Undefeated, so y'all comment down below, let me know what grail, if you had a chance to retro them, you would have Nike or Jordan brand retro, man. Comment down below. For your boy Jay, right now, I want to see some Dornbecker 4s return, the Superman joints. I don't want the other ones, I want them Superman joints, y'all. So hopefully one day we shall see it, and it's not too far-fetched, because we did see the Dornbecker 6 retro, as well as it was another Dornbecker, right? I think it's another Dornbecker that did retro, but that ain't here or there, man. If this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, I would love for you to stick around, join us over here, hit that subscribe button, lock in with the fam, make it official, not only by hitting the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, let me know that you are new so I can welcome you into the family, man. Your boy Jay likes to interact with each and every one of y'all who do interact with the channel, so if you would leave a quick comment or let me know your feedback of anything going on in the video. Did you cop Tokyos? You passed? They sold out on you? Whatever the case may be, comment it down below, or just even say, yo, what's good? Anything, or I'm new to the fam, just go ahead, drop it down below in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to your comment. Your boy Jay has been bombarded with comments lately, but I have been going through my videos. If I haven't got back to your comment, just leave a quick comment just reminding me like, yo, Jay, and I'm on it, you know what I'm saying? But yo, man, that's not here or there, man. We are talking Tokyo 5s today, y'all. So let's go ahead and bring them out, as T.I. would say, y'all. Bring them out, bring them out. Bang, y'all. So here we do have the 2025 Jordan 5 Tokyos, y'all. Like I told you guys, this shoe did release 14 years ago exclusively at the Tokyo 23 store. We now officially have them both in the States and where they originally released in Tokyo, because they did do an early release in Tokyo, I want to say last month in August. We officially just got the release of these on September 27th, and that was the global release date for these. And I want to say not global, because I want to say there's another, is it Europe? Someone else is getting them October, I want to say like October 1st or something like that. Comment down below if your area is getting these in October. I don't know the exact area, but US release was officially in September, y'all. But clean pair of shoes, man. I do have to let you guys know, if you guys go after a pair of these, it is a must you be very delicate with this shoe, man, because real quick story time, man. If you guys did not check out my vlog, or if y'all are new, the vlog when I went to Chicago, your boy Jay had a little mishap with my pair, man. I did scuff them up, but it wasn't the baddest, but it's a scuff there, and it just kind of gets on your nerves every time you see it, man. You guys will see it. The scuff is on my right shoe, so you guys will see that throughout the video whenever I show you guys the on feet or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I am gonna send that shoe off to get that scuff taken out. Hopefully someone can repair that for me, but we'll get to that. But your boy Jay does have a double up, you know what I'm saying? Give me 2 pair. This was one of them, y'all. Your boy Jay had to get 2 pairs of them, and I did pay the high for these. And not only did I, you know, get me another double up early, I did hit on the sneakers app, man. So these recently did release on the 27th, and your boy Jay took a dub on them, man. So yeah, man, is it worth keeping 3 of them, or should I sell one? I think I'm gonna sell one, man, but don't bombard me. I ain't made up my mind yet. If y'all don't follow me over at JTSG Closet, follow me over there. That will be the first place I will post it for sale if that happens. But yes, man, if you guys did pick up your Jordan 5 Tokyos this past weekend, or if you got them early, or if you plan on picking up a pair, it is a must you stop by Outrank brand, y'all. Outrank brand is the clothing company that does provide the latest and greatest fashion to go with your recent pickups, whether it is a Jordan or a KD, Kobe Bryant, whatever it is that you might have that you recently picked up. They have the finishing touches to complete your outfit. Fire gear, it does match spot on with the shoes. The colors are perfect, and it is good quality materials on those tees, y'all. They have a variety of different tees that do go with the Tokyo 5s. I am rocking the Tokyo, the girl tee, as you can see right there, man. It does say worldwide supplier at the bottom, and then Outrank brand, all rights reserved to them. But definitely a dope tee. It does go perfect with the Tokyo 5s. If you guys do not have anything to match with them and y'all want that last finishing touch that not everyone will have, y'all might want to stop by Outrank brand. It is linked down below in the description. The promo code is JayTheSneakerGuy. That will save you some money, and you're gonna thank me in the long run for saving them coins, y'all. But yeah, check out Outrank brand, the collection that does go with the Jordan 5 Tokyos, and yeah, get yourselves fly. Link is down below in the description, y'all. Outside of all of that, y'all, it is time to officially get into the review of the Jordan 5 Tokyo. So let's go ahead and do that, starting with the box. Starting with the box, as you can see, it comes in a regular Jordan 5 box, y'all. Now I think they should have gave us something special with this pair. It's a special shoe in my opinion, like maybe put a Tokyo 2-3, a yellow box, I don't know, anything other than a regular Jordan 5 box. But hey, it's a Jordan 5 box, nothing special. You seen one, you seen them all. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. Color blocking is Varsity Maize, Black, Wolf, Gray, Anthracite. Now when it comes to sizing on my Jordan 5s, I usually go half size down or true to size. I go half size down sometimes because I loose lace my shoes, but lately your boy Jay has been tying up his shoes. If you guys want tips on how to lace your shoes, I will link a card up, and that will show you guys how I lace my Jordan 5s. I think I got like 3 different ways on how you can lace them on there. But yes, that is the ways that you can lace them up via that video. But I have been tying them up, so size 9 works perfect for me, which is a true size. If I want to loose lace them, go down half size. That is my recommendation to y'all, man. I think with 5s, they run slightly bigger than usual, but I wouldn't say it's slightly big enough for you to say, let me go down to half size. Nah, it's just slightly bigger, but I would say stick with your true size, you good. But take my notes on if you want to rock them loose, you know, go down half size, you know, if you want them snug, you know. But yeah, that is that on the sizing. When we take a look on the inside of the box, y'all, we will see that it does come with the separator and the black glad bag paper that we have been seeing on Jordan Retro 5s. It does have a lot number on the top of the box lid in there, and it does have a white and green sticker as well, y'all. So you do have all of the above inside the box, and that is pretty much it for the packaging. Pretty blah, man. Ain't nothing special about that. Let's go ahead and let's talk about these Tokyos, y'all. Starting with the outsole, as you can see, we do got the icy translucent outsole, man. We got Jordan written on the bottom right there, and we do got the yellow Jumpman towards the top, and you do have the yellow lining going across the toe box area on the top, the toe cap area, should I say. But uppers of the shoe, man, as you can see, we got that bright mustard yellow, man, that bright mustard yellow on the uppers. Midsole does have some of that translucent icy outsole coming up on it, but outside of that, man, we can start right here on this part of the midsole with the fighter jets, man. Take a look at the fighter jet right there. You do have the black speckles going throughout it. A lot of people tell me these resemble the Michigan 5s, and nah, bro, don't do that. Please don't do that, man. But you do have that on the fighter jet, the yellow with the black speckles. You got the white midsole on this one. Take a look at the air system. You do got the yellow air bubble air system in there, and you do got that going all the way around the shoe to the inside, and you got a little splash of yellow towards the top right there, man. But moving up a little bit more, you can see you do have the black lining Of course, the color contrast on the shoe goes crazy. The black, the yellow, the white. But you do got the black hits, and it's a matte black, I want to say, going around this top area here. And uppers of the shoe, you can see it. It is a nice nubuck, man. You have an all over nubuck on these. Clear caging on the side. Back of the shoe, y'all, very interesting. One of you guys from the fam brought it to my attention. The 2-3. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it, bruh. I thought that it was a Japan or Japanese type of logo or something, but it is a 2-3, and you can easily see it right there. Like I said, once you see it, you can't unsee it. But 2-3 right there with the lines. But moving on from that, front of the shoe, toe box, we do got some widow's peaks right at the bottom right there. Is there widow's peak at the top? Yep, widow's peak at the top as well. So you got widow's peaks on the bottom and the top. Black laces are OG laced all the way up to the top, very tight. This is how the shoe does come. However, it does come with an extra set of laces in a bag that looks like so, y'all. So you do got the bag with the white laces rolled up, has the red line at the top, and it is on one of them little plastic hangy joints, you know what I'm saying? So it does come with an extra set of laces. Front of the shoe, lace lock area, you do have the gray lace lock with the clear hit on it, and it does have, what is it, a Jumpman, or does it say Nike? It says Jumpman. So you got a Jumpman on the lace lock. If y'all can see it, y'all probably can't see it, but it's a Jumpman on there, take my word for it. You got the silver tongue on this one, and it does have those bright 3M hits on it, y'all. So you do got the 3M popping off the tongue. Around the laces, you got the nice gray hits. That's why I threw them gray laces in there, man, to go off the gray hits on the side of the shoe, as well as the interior, you know what I'm saying, going inside the shoe, which is more of a darker gray. But the back of the shoe, y'all, no Nike Air treatment on these, y'all. No Nike Air treatment on these. We do got the Jumpman right there on the back. You can see it right there, stitched in, looking good. But real quick before I dive into the details of the inside, y'all, very, very easily dirty shoe. You got to be delicate with these, y'all. Be aware of where you wear them, y'all. Spray some protectant on there. Like, do not end up like your boy Jay do with that scuff, you know what I'm saying? But yes, very, very easy to get this shoe dirty. But another thing, let me point out real quick, you do got like a satin hit right there. That yellow right below that lace, that's satin, y'all. So you got satin right there on the tongue. Of course, you got the clear caging on the tongue on that other part. But moving on to the inside of the shoe, y'all, real quick, you got shoe paper, no shoe tree in there, as you can see, the shoe paper, and it does have the gray, of course, the dark gray hits going around into the inside. You got Jordan, Air Jordan, that is, written on the inside in that yellow. And inside on the insole, y'all, it does have 2-3 on it, and I want to say it spells out Tokyo. I know it says like Tokyo distribution on the bottom half, but it's kind of cut off, so I don't know what it fully says. But I do know that it is a 2 and a 3, and it does have like some sort of gray hits going all throughout it. You can see it right there on the B-roll. But that is the insole, y'all. This was manufactured from February through April of this year, y'all. So 2-month production on the 2025 Jordan 5 Tokyos, y'all. And these right here were definitely a mandatory cop, a must-have for your boy Jay. Only must-haves that I need from here to the end of the year is Gamma 11s, and I need to double up in the Chicagos, y'all. Like, outside of that, I might be done for the year unless something else pops up. But Tokyo 5 is definitely one of them ones, man. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 out of 10, y'all. These are fire, man. There are slight manufacturer flaws on these pairs, but hey, I got a perfect pair to say, and I ain't tripping, man. So I'm gonna just rate it based off this pair that I do have in my hand, man. But Tokyo 5s have landed, man. Comment down below, did you get lucky and pick up a pair? Very, very limited. And if you guys want a pair, I would say just wait it out. Do not buy them right now because it's too hot of a shoe, man. You never want to buy a shoe when it's hot because you'll pay the most that the shoe was going for at that time. You got to wait for people to be like, man, these ain't moving for me, man. And then they'll drop the price, you know what I'm saying? So, free game for y'all. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and throw the Tokyo Jordan 5s on feet. Let's swap them out. Speaking of swap it out, y'all comment down below your favorite alternate lace swap. Of course, like I said, they come with the white laces. They come with the black laces. What color outside of white and black would you go with if you had to pick a color, man? But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out, man. To the next one. Y'all stay blessed. I am gone. Yo, man, let's take a trip to Tokyo. Movies, y'all. Out of here. Peace.
My guy Jay the Sneaker, pleasure to meet you. I'm with the fam, it ain't hard to reach you. They gon' ride like the coupe with the features. We in the game, but the haters and bleachers. So take a seat, take a note from the teacher, I mean the professor. Talking big money and stay on the dresser. Keep it 100, won't take none less. You gang easy, got a cheat code. Yeah, bro, I'm finna go beast mode. Double up, triple up, keep those. Yeah, hell yeah, I'ma keep those. Brand new kicks on my feet though. Yeah, bro, haters, I eat those. She digging my stitches, no Lilo. Finna make a movie on Vivo. Call me Jay with the J's, that's 100 degrees. No fugazi, so no way, I keep 100 with me. Had to grind till I shine, that's 100 for me. I go all in for the fam, that's 100 indeed. Yeah. I keep 100. I keep 100. Yeah, I keep 100. Woo! I keep 100. I keep 100. I keep 100. I keep 100. Woo! I keep 100. I keep 100. I keep 100. I keep 100.